Hey everybody, we're going to do our April flowers painting today. Importantly, make sure we have all of our supplies before we get started. We're going to be using our pencil today, nice and sharp, paint brushes, Sharpie marker, and our paints, and a glass of water for cleaning our brushes and adding some paint. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take our pencil and we're going to sketch our flowers. Now, you can do any kind of flower you'd like. Get creative here. If you want to do a daisy, do a daisy. If you want to do a sunflower, do a sunflower. I'm going to attempt to do some tulips. Now, flowers are not my specialty with drawing, but I'm going to try my best. Got some petals here. Putting a little definition in there, make it have some dimension in there. Got a stem. And if you mess up, it's okay to erase. We're gonna make some leaves here. Nice long leaves. Do a little tulip bulb. Just barely opening. Now these don't have to be perfect, guys. It is art. Art is subjective. You can make whatever kind of flower you want. If you want a flower from an alien planet, that is fine too. Have fun with this. Get creative. Let your imagination run wild. Alright. Now that we've done our drawing, we are going to start our painting. With the background, you can do whatever shapes you want, whatever colors you want. Have fun with this too. You can do circles, squares, triangles, blobs. I'm going to do circles. And we're going to take our paint and we're going to mix just a little bit of water in there to get it kind of a thinner texture. And this is going to make it more transparent when we're painting over our flower. You see how that yellow still lets the flower pop through because we put some water in there to make that paint a little bit thinner. And this is kind of the look we're going for. Like I said, you can do multiple colors, any colors you want. I do recommend using lighter colors first and then painting darker colors on top because we're going to have some overlapping of the different bubbles or squares or triangles, whatever you decide. Next, I'm taking my green in the same process. And we go in with the blue. I really liked this color. And then I took some of my blue and pink and made like a purpley pink color. You can make it darker by adding more blue. Make it a little brighter, adding more pink. I went with a slightly darker to contrast when I do the pink. Now there's no rhyme or reason to how I am putting these circles on here. It's just wherever my heart desires as far as putting them in different places. I took yellow and pink and I made a very bright orange. I'm just going to add some little orange bubbles here. Now you clean your flat brush, take your round brush, and you're going to cross them over, and you're going to smack your flat brush with the round brush that has paint on it to create paint flecks all over your painting. You can make the flecks whatever color you like. I chose the orangey color and some pink. You just smack it around until you have enough of the flecks that you like. Once it's dry, you're going to take your Sharpie and go over your flower drawing to make it pop a little more now. If you don't trace it perfectly, that is totally fine. That's what erasers are for. You see how it's already just really popping? So beautiful. I'm putting a little texture in here to kind of give the flowers a little more depth. And there you have it. These are April flowers. We're excited to see your paintings and can't wait to find out who's going to win the drawing.